So in this video, I will show you how to check your internet speed. So if you have new internet speed and that's just installed at home, then you can use your local PC, laptop, or mobile phones. So by using a browser, you just need to open up the speedtest.net. By the way, first, before you open the speedtest.net, the speedtest.net is just a website or a public website that is using the internet to test the point A to point B, how fast your connection could transfer a certain amount of data in a certain amount of time. So first, I would recommend to check your Wi-Fi. So you go to your Wi-Fi settings. So here is my Wi-Fi name. Then click the arrow, manage Wi-Fi connections. Then you can click the properties. Upon clicking the properties, then this is the network and internet. You will be directed on the Wi-Fi Windows 11. So network and internet, going to Wi-Fi. This is my Wi-Fi name where I am currently connected. Then scroll down. So I am using a Wi-Fi 6 laptop with a Wi-Fi 6 access point. So here is the SSID of the Wi-Fi that I'm using. And here is the protocol, Wi-Fi 802.11.ax, and the maximum is Wi-Fi AX, the version. So currently the band is using the 2.4 gigahertz of the Wi-Fi 6, and the link speed aggregated could reach up to 200 upload and download Mbps. So it is expected that when I do a speed test, it will peak at this or less than 200 Mbps. My current fiber subscription is around 300 Mbps unlimited fiber by Globe Telecom. So let's check. So doing the speedtest.net, and you just press go. Then wait for the result. You may scroll it down. While the test is ongoing, it will test a certain time. Oh, see? I'm just reaching around 5 MB of the speedtest.net. Less than 5 MB of the upload, less than 10. Hopefully it can reach. So the speed test is one of the public servers. You can also check. So I'm already only getting 4 MB download and 4 MB upload. With my Wi-Fi connection of aggregated link speed is up to 206 Mbps. So here it shows that my LAN connectivity has a 200 Mbps connection between my laptop going to the Wi-Fi router. So it should haven't any problem, including the internet. So this is what I'm reaching using the speedtest.net. So you also have fast.com, another speed test that is by Netflix. So let's check. Oh, so I'm just reaching this below 10 Mbps. 10 Mbps download speed. So as you can see, although my subscription is 300 Mbps, I'm only getting 6.2 Mbps of download, and around here the upload is Also less than 10 MB. Oh, I've run it. Oh, see? When you run both speed tests, you will get a much slower speed test. So after the router restart and the laptop, I figured it out that my laptop was on a metallic surface. That is my cooling system for my laptop. So that affects the Wi-Fi signal because it's a metallic surface. So anything that is metallic can affect the Wi-Fi signal. So you can also check most of the Wi-Fi signal. So let's check again. Click the properties, the Wi-Fi properties. So I'm still connected in the same SSID and using the Wi-Fi 6. And now aggregated link speed is reaching around 576 Mbps. So it is expected that during speed test, I would achieve the 200 Mbps subscription. So let's try to test again. So this is already after the reboot of the Wi-Fi. Then I'm just gonna add that. So now reaching speed of 30 Mbps. So not bad enough because previously it was just below 10 MB. And this is expected because some of my apps at the background are running, downloading, and streaming. So not bad. This is already a good speed test result in my case, and with the least amount of latency. So that's how you can solve your Wi-Fi problems by checking for any surfaces that are metallic and rebooting the network device's laptop. Alright, see you around, guys. Thank you for watching this video. This is already solved. Yeah.